Your neck bleeds as I chop it, get beat in a mosh pit. Gacy was crazy, but Ed Gein was a prophet. I silenced the lambs, parasitic lava. Violence is the plan, in the mirror's image carved up. My enemies flash swords, a villain rotten child. You'll never see a crackle with $1 million smile. The Joe's fuck, I flow dark, put your hoe alone sharp. The only thing that I'm eating out is your own heart. Misogynist, masochist, opposite of average. Rockin' with a savage click, lock you in the casket quick. Smash your chicken flip, catastrophes can happen. A masterpiece in action. Rich boy from the burbs, my sick toys disturbed. Word is bomb, bombs burst, curse you when served. Bird haze, yo I hate generic rap names. My lyrics slash veins, can't hear these whack lanes. We're some chainsaw maniacs, run for your life. Let go with the echo when I come for your wife. But I have no homies, you're in a better place dead. You're my new trophy next to Leatherface's head. We some chainsaw maniacs, run for your life. Let go with the echo when I come for your wife. But I have no homies, you're in a better place dead. You're my new trophy next to Leatherface's head. I make the market stretch you open. You hate the dark, I guess I'm broken. Break your heart like Brent and Owen. Razor sharp, my message potent. Screw sluts, trust, I'm a dead honey creep. I get goosebumps when Ted Bundy speaks. My best buddy's me, I don't ever leave my room. Forever speaking doom, I better keep it true. They saying that I'm sick, my clique is just glorious. She's begging for the dick like the chick from the Warriors. Out of control, but cipher broad wisdom. I conjure the souls of Michael Ross victims. I pass away and stay scarred, slash a demon rage hard. Basket case of flame charred, masturbating graveyards. No hope I seek revenge, he descends, growing lethal flesh. Quoting evil men with the notion just to see you dead. On your whore I tore, on a stone floor get tore up with a cord from a cord and the sword from Red Sonja. We're some chainsaw maniacs, run for your life. Let go with the echo when I come for your wife. But I have no homies, you're in a better place dead. You're my new trophy next to Leatherface's head. We some chainsaw maniacs, run for your life. Let go with the echo when I come for your wife. But I have no homies, you're in a better place dead. You're my new trophy next to Leatherface's head. Spend holidays in Kamala pain, a dream reoccurring. See me emerging from the scene, y'all scream, I seem unnerving. I keep unearthing demon bones and feed them to my body. My hobby's feasting hoes and beating foes that copy. Bond promise and wound dudes, I'm too crude, no conscious. Smooth like Rob Thomas when my crew robs pockets. Who shot Pac? It was Kurt Cobain's ghost. Staged doesn't work, I'm sure the flame throw. Insane flow for dough, don't doubt the giant. My soul is provoked as I choked out a lion. Bizarre recurrence, I'm a Lazarus taxon. The mark of the serpent in my hazardous action. Savages rapping, captain of the Black Pearl. A bad world we living in, hitting on a fat girl with a Ouija board carved from tree they hung witches. Tongue twitches, see your whores, heart bleed, fuck bitches. We're some chainsaw maniacs, run for your life. Let go with the echo when I come for your wife. But I have no homies, you're in a better place dead. You're my new trophy next to Leatherface's head. We some chainsaw maniacs, run for your life. Let go with the echo when I